Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to a reimagining of an old video. It was formerly streamed years ago, basically live, and we thought that since nobody actually wanted to watch it in that format, we would re-edit it and give me a little bit more time to create some fresh, new, fantastic content. I'm biased. You'll have to tell me if it's fantastic or not after the fact. Catch you on the flip side. That's not cool. That was never cool. Why did I say that? Burn it.
Fire.
I'm going to try and build a custom guitar in 9 hours. It is 10:30 right now. I'm going to set a stopwatch and get going in a minute. I can build a guitar in 9 hours. I can build, I think. We'll see. And towards the end of the last build, I started flaking out and it went a bit bad, but hey. If you haven't watched the 12-hour build, please do. Stopwatch. I have to start with the neck. This is going to be fun. Now, what I'm going to be building is a PAF. One of the Crimson Guitars PAFs. I need to get out of talking mode.
Which is funny because that means that I'm going to do a voiceover now.
I'm not going to talk, I'm not going to teach. This isn't a tutorial. That's one of the things that got me last time, actually.
Yeah. Well, print this, for example.
As a standard 01. So half of the way inside one point will go in that point.
Yes. Yeah. So it will.
Downstairs. Ooh, coffee.
And distracted. Now, always check this, seriously. Measure, cut is something that is said a lot, but yeah, if you don't, you will often end up crying. Center line, nut line, truss rod, and concentrate. Remember, not very deep, especially with a 4mm cutter. The trick is to take small passes slowly. So this is a bullnose cutter, and with it I'm going to quickly route the truss rod access cavity. So there we go, the beginning of a neck. And there we go, a book-matched piece of quilted zucchini. Don't forget to adjust the bandsaw. You don't want your hands going underneath there. Every now and then the blade will catch in a soft piece of grain and will jump 2 or 3 centimeters or 2 or 3 inches at a time. And if your hand is in the way, you want it to be stopped by the machine itself, not by the blade. That looks like a tool handle to me. So, I need to cut the angle on my headstock. And I should have done that before cutting the outline. Now the headstock is not supported. I could, or probably should have, taped a bit of offcut to that as well. But as it stands, holding the other end flat, this worked out rather well. And there we go. And this is where the superglue and the accelerator comes to bear. And the much vaunted and very, very worth it masking tape and superglue trick. This is something you will see a lot through this build. Accelerator because, hey, it's fast. And the Triton router table. The router table is where Triton routers really come to the fore. Easy adjustment, and you pull the cutter all the way up and it automatically locks off. This just pops the collet all the way out the top, and I really am rather in love with it. So the other thing is you're not able to raise the router bit enough to lock the spindle off without turning the router itself off. I really, really, really do not like using router tables. They scare me. This, however, as router tables go, is rather stunning. Keep your fingers away from the fast spinning blades. So, small cuts, small, intelligent cuts, while keeping your fingers out of the way. When in doubt, always keep your fingers further away than you think is safe. The masking tape and superglue trick is absolutely awesome. It leaves very little residue.
Let's have a quick recap. It's 11:30. So, 55 minutes, 26 seconds.
Before we glue the fretboard on, we have to get the angle planed nice and flat.
You can basically do anything, almost anything, with a good block plane.
Leveling beams are so useful, not only for leveling frets, but as precision, perfectly flat sanding blocks for any number of jobs. One thing that you can't have enough of when building guitars is clamps. Work holding. Always wear eye protection when you fill a cavity with super glue and then hammer something into it.
Yeah, it does. As you said,
This is going to be so pretty. 1 hour and 11 minutes. This really is the point of no return. So, anyway, let's go and cut some fret slots. That's my 22nd fret, that's my 23rd.
So that tape marks out the end of the fretboard. And from there it's fairly simple.
That old adage, measure, measure, cut. Then cry.
Naughty boy didn't adjust the height of the blade there.
Control knobs, anyone?
Line it up nicely. Make absolutely certain. With the accelerator, that's almost an instant bond. And now you double check.
Hey! Cool, let's go upstairs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. It helps and makes me feel good about myself. Hit that notification button as well. And, well, come back for the next video when we make it live. Soon.